up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is sponsored by Vshowhair. Y'all, Vshowhair is like on the top of my list right now. Their wigs are so pretty, so thick. I've never had any issues with Vshowhair. So yeah, let's see what they sent me today. And everything about this unit will be in the description box below. Also, everything that I use in this video will also be available for you guys to purchase from my Amazon storefront. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So this is how the packaging comes. So cute. Comes with some really cute lashes. And of course a wig cap, a cute little pamphlet, their company and what they offer, and also their social media platforms. So let's get into the unit. It is a straight unit, 24 inches Brazilian, 180% density.
Words ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind.
This is what the hairline is looking like. It's already pre-plucked. The knots are already bleached. So all you have to do is just really put it on and go. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and put this girl on. This is what the unit is giving. I'm gonna go ahead and add some makeup, you know, make it look a little natural. Apparently my powder foundation grew legs and walked off. So I'm gonna use my, I'm gonna use my liquid foundation that I purchased from the local beauty supply store.
But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will you?
So this is what it's giving after I applied the foundation. So let's see how it's looking when I put it on.
I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the
I tell you, baby, Vshow gonna do it every time. This wig even like this. I haven't done nothing to this wig yet. Oh my god, let me flat iron it first, and it's already given, you know, it's already given what it's supposed to give. Go ahead and flat iron this unit, and I'm gonna flat iron the closure because it's already flat and it's already given. But we're team no big wigs over here, so we're gonna make sure that it's given.
Like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
Even though this wig is giving, okay, like it looks phenomenal right now, but I seen this hack on TikTok where this girl just used water and put it on a lace, and it was giving, even though you can't really see it. But I mean, you can see it just a little, but I'm gonna try it and just see how it does.
When it's my truth, I own, I speak it, don't make
this TikTok hack work. Like, the lace was already given anyways, but I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, make it feel like, you know, God gave it to me himself. At this point, TikTok put me onto literally everything. This wig is gorgeous. I did go in and put a few little layers in it in the front, even though I'm not a stylist or anything, and I don't really know much about cutting, but it's cute. It's cute.
Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to? Do I really want you? When you know that I do. You so scared of real love.
So, okay, this concludes my tutorial, but y'all, this wig is so pretty. This wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. This is their 5x5 closure pre-cut unit. This wig is ready to go. All you gotta do is put it on and take it off. That's it. Put it on and take it off. Period. Because ain't nobody got time for it. Everything about this unit will be in the description box below. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.